Hey there, I'm Delavan, and I've been uncomfortable. Let me tell you a little bit about myself first. I'm what people call a creative. What's a creative? Creatives usually make things happen. I'm an artist and character designer, crafter, cosplayer, fursuit performer, led communities, some teaching, run events for fandoms, and I'm an aspiring singer, voice actor, and music producer. Overall, being creative takes a ton of energy, mental and physical. I love being active when I can. I love to bike. Hiking is great. Heck, my favorite video game is DDR. But my body and my mind likes to say otherwise. I have a lifelong history of mysterious immune issues and physical roadblocks when it comes to my health. Here's a couple of my greatest hits. I was in various car accidents. As a kid, I actually broke a windshield with my forehead, which played a likely part in developing my scoliosis, according to doctors way later in life. Wear a seatbelt, kids! I experienced a bad pregnancy loss that resulted in surgery that worsened my back pain as well as my cycle pain. By the way, I'm transmasculine non-binary. They, them pronouns, please. Digestive conditions, asthma, allergies. It's all ramped up cramping and coughing, which has also led to more back pain. I've had falls, strenuous labor jobs, nerve damage from a spinal tap. Pre-cancer was cut out of me. I've had my share of compounding stressors, let's just say that, because the list is extensive. I've experienced ebbs and flows of being bedridden, pain-bound, and unable to walk without assistance, along with the energetic time, feeling good. Ultimately, I end up pushing myself too far and either burn out or make myself sick again. And as I got sicker longer, I grew more sedentary, which fed my depression and anxiety. Motivation killers I continue to juggle. I eventually stopped selling at conventions, working at home exclusively, which also meant even more stagnation. A lot of repetitive movement, leaving my back in one position for a long period of time. Over 2 years, I've gradually done less and less. I had to put my art productions on pause, consistent pain and sickness. I was left feeling broken with no solution. So I took my music hobbies more seriously, but even with singing practice, back pain always a factor. I had a gym regimen, which helped until it didn't. I got some spine adjustment wheels, helped great for my scoliosis, but when my back is locked up, those are a no-go. Things get bleak, I won't lie. Then one day, about a week ago, I stumbled upon the Kitano Method offering a back pain course. I thought, why not? And I started it up. Frankly, I'm glad I did. Meeting others in similar pain as I was, I felt valid and not so alone. Throughout the course so far, I've been able to identify what types of pain I'm having. The course also promotes mindfulness training. Things just started to click more. By session 3, I was able to touch my toes in a healthy way for the first time in my life. But the biggest thing, after learning to bend and move more correctly, so much of my mechanical back pain went away, and I can't wait to learn more from Kitano-sensei. I'm grateful for the opportunity I decided to reach for, and I intend to rebuild my life for the better again. I still have different healing tracks to figure out, but this is a huge progress for my movement. Take care. Be good to each other.